Green jobs, bright future. Want to fight climate change and create jobs? Here is a powerful fact. Every $1 million invested in clean energy creates more jobs than fossil fuels. That is, more solar panels, more wind farms, and more people walking. Clean energy means jobs in building, installing, maintaining, and innovating. It is not just good for the planet, it is smart for the economy. And guess what? These aren't just short term jobs, many are long lasting careers, especially for youth and local workers. So, when governments invest in renewables, they are investing in bright future, more jobs, cleaner air, better tomorrow. Tax someone who wants a green job and a greener planet.